Hello, I know I haven't uploaded a while, but today I'm going to be playing Piggy. But every time I die, I'm going to add one of those 1 hour of silence occasionally broken up by blanks. And I'll add the dizzy camera and inverted controls mod. This isn't going to end well. Wish me luck. I'm going to need it. Alright, so the first couple chapters, I also have hard mode on. But the first couple should be easy, and it'll get hard. So I have, I can't hear anything. Or I just one-shot all of it and make some, like, really funny, like, kind of, like, really funny video. That'd be so stupid. I have not played a lot of these chapters in a while, but it will probably be fine. Get wrench. Oh crap! You're right there too. Dude, I'm so useless. Besides that one key. Those Angry Bird sounds. If you ever want to find any videos, just search up 1 hour of silence occasionally broken out by blank on YouTube. Maybe different depending on the person, but it shouldn't really matter. Okay, hammer. Ah, there you are. A little juke. They should change the freaking sound. Here's the wrench. Are you good over there, Piggy? This don't matter. There's actually a little trick up here you can do. You jam your face against the wall, you can actually activate that. Really nice, really convenient. Okay, it's still floating. I don't think he's ever gonna change that. Yeah, I think the AI is a little glitchy. But no, whatever. Gear. Get the gear, put the gear in the place. Because they had to congratulate me for getting that freaking gear done. Oh yeah, I never checked in here. Yeah, there's the plank. House isn't even really a bad chapter. It's actually pretty unique, because there's ways to play it. I could already have the orange key by now, but I think the yellow key could spawn. The orange key can spawn here, and a bunch of other stuff could spawn here. Actually pretty unique, because there's multiple ways to play it. It's going to be a later chapters. You see, sometimes this room doesn't have that much to offer. But, yeah, here it does. I don't know what Piggy's doing. Piggy be acting weird. Yeah, I feel like no one ever gets the code last. I mean, the code's kind of not really used that much. And I don't even think it's used once a book, too. Just fair, I guess. It was kind of weird. So, well, no, book 2 just had physical codes. Like in a alley. Now. Alright, let's go. The wrench. I think the wrench went somewhere else too. Oh yeah, there's just acid here. Just acid in a police station. There's the where's the battery go? I forget. Alright, this goes. Played station forever. I'll take blue. There's a mother. I don't hear him. Hear them. Whatever. Oh, there's the battery goes there. Gold. Oh, crap. Oh, damn. That's a. Oh, almost died there. Oh, yeah, the wrench went there. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, it's all coming back. The yellow key, one of these. Red key. Green, some ammo. Wait, green. Speaking of green. There's nothing in here. No. There it is. They ain't like the new Piggy bots. You can't shake them. Hammer. Oh, there's yellow. Didn't the hammer go in 2 spots? No, I don't think it does. Orange. Actually, orange isn't needed. If I recall correctly. Orange right there. Yeah, these are just Duracell batteries. What does it say? Oh. Yeah, you went up like a really weird staircase. They would never actually have this. Hey, that's me. So that didn't go anywhere, so I must stick it up there. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, crap. I don't know why I say, oh yeah, I don't remember that one bit. Did I put the hammer? Yeah, right here. Oh, crap. So, I can just... Oh, where are they? Oh, they can't. I don't think... She can across the plank. Probably just wait here. Or to do a whole loop. Oh, you're right there. Where did you... Oh, I think you were stuck on the staircase. Do. Great, there's nothing in there. Orange, I don't think there's anything behind, but I guess I'm gonna try. It's like a little bit of parkour. Wait, there's no items anywhere. I need the white key. Get the white key from... Wait, the batteries. Oh, I need the gold key. I had it. Where did I put it? I think I had it. Oh, I think it's where... Up here. That's the blue key. Use the blue key. Oh, that's very close. I'm definitely missing something. Purple key doesn't do anything. Also, if I run out of time, I have to add a new sound effect. Because, you know, it's right here. Ow. Okay, let's do this all again. Green goes. Battery. Wrench plank. I don't think that I can pass through the plank. So I don't know if that's intentional or it's just bad AI, but I almost fell in. Okay. Oh, that's close. Oh, I know, it's too close for comfort. I don't even really know why that event exists. I mean, like, it's for when there's actual players. The wrench is over here, right? It's actually going a lot faster. Well, because I remember where everything is. This time, of course. Of course, yeah. I get the wrench. No, we have the 2 batteries. Or, well, I know where they are. Okay, I'm just gonna play the first 6 chapters because of how long it's already taken just to beat 2. Or, yeah, for 6 chapters. And I'll last 6, and if people like it, I'll do book 2. Even open I have to lock, so I didn't even do half of it, but I got the gas, so I can get out of here. Easy. This is weird. Probably be best just to play this in first person. But yeah, it's boring, so. Oh. 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 Bruh. There's a key here. That's the orange keys. Place straight. Because, so I could hide there. I didn't know that move. That's actually kind of cool. So you'd never do any of these. Or maybe you would, I don't know. Oh, you use the hammer in 3 places. Forget it. I mean, like... Oh, crap. Some of those monsters look familiar. Okay, there's the hammer. Because Yoda didn't like that. So this is basically just me playing Piggy with occasional sounds. Red key, go over there. Where's orange? Good to know Victor agrees. They all played at once. So actually it's chaotic. Plus my really mixed in with my really bad gameplay. That was close. I kind of do need Piggy out for 20 seconds. 30 seconds? 20? I think it's 20. Take it. I don't know why I picked that up. But DougDoug. Good to know Yoda's still doing that, I guess. Oh crap! Piggy's a lot easier with more people. Oh yeah, it's a gun. Yeah, you get the bone, I think. Yeah. Oh yeah, actually, I don't think I actually ever went up here. Yeah, the key can see computer. Oh yeah, and then it breaks out. Yeah. Turn it. Get out. It's okay, I won. We'll watch this cutscene forever. No. Okay, cool. Chapter 3 or 4. I think those monsters, they were our friends. It's getting late. Maybe I should get some rest. Doggy? Where are ya? Okay, well, now dog is evil, so. But I had 2 if I'd had a doggy. Just doggy's kind of. I guess I'll. Oh yeah, the generator. Yeah, it's all coming together. I didn't know you were a jumper. Should I get the gun? If you hover over this, you can see how much ammo you have, which is pretty cool. I don't even know why there's a gun. It doesn't really do anything. Oh no, it's just a random... She's got like all these nice Piggy characters. It's just like hyper-realistic gun. Sheepy's up here. I lost my gun rights, so you gotta agree. It's like there's no 14th Amendment. Or, no, it was the Second Amendment. Yeah. Was it an ad? I think that was an ad. If it was a video I played, I don't even know this one. Just like. Doggy, no. Okay, this hand died a doggy. Oh. Oh. Okay, time to actually look. Use the plank. It's mostly up here, right? Because it's very. Nothing up here. You can fall from. You can fall from this. At least. You have my gun. I need my gun. I don't know why in all these places there's a gun fall, and there's just a key laying around. Oh, whatever. I should just walk through here. Oh yeah, we're here. Oh, I want to stun him and then. Yeah, I want to stun Sheepy and then go back because it'd be funny to see this. I can't reach the gun from there. Give me the gun, yes. Should I shoot? Okay. I got 20 seconds to chill. I think the second ammo is gonna be in here. Yeah. You should just pick up ammo. Okay, I'm gonna get the ammo to move it down here. Where is it? I need the gun. Oh, I don't want to take it now. Guys, I forgot. The yellow is the thing that works, and like, the orange is very evil. I think I always on the orange. My layer chapter is like, because it's also late. No, I think it's like layouts. I'm gonna save myself. Where do you go there? I should know that, but whatever. Rush one. You put that. No, get out of here, finally. Okay, now it's time for chapter 5. Meet me in the cellar when you find her. Not how Mr. P sounds like. This map was always weird because this is not even close to what a school is. Like, the second floor has a security room and lockers and a freaking, like, staff stock room for some reason. Or the old teacher model. Oh, that model. Science. Let's go to the cafeteria. I don't even know what room this is supposed to be. Where's the... Oh yeah, the wrench goes... Why is there lasers guarding the... Frickin', cafeteria. I mean, gym. The white key's just laying about. There's the green key. Two green keys. The green key. Where's the red key? I think the red key goes up here. Oh. Can't even really use the hammer yet, I don't think. These gears real quick. These gears are kind of underused. They're used like twice. They're used here in chapter 1. That's all I remember. I can't even talk. X -6.
It's not easy being the one everyone counts on to keep your operation running. That's why at Grainger, we're here for you with professional-grade industrial supplies and fast delivery. Call, click Grainger.com, or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.
think it's the Vector one that's playing the ads. I'm gonna get copyright struck into oblivion for this video. Why did I go over here? I can actually use the white key now. So we're gonna one shot. I don't know what is. I think yellow just gives you a carrot, but I should probably try it. Yeah.
Flaps! Shut up, passengers! Flaps are up and down on the D-pad. Oh, those are called flaps? Who knew?
Playing a DougDoug video.
So this slows me down? It does slow me down. It slows me way down. Okay, I have a proposal. Now that I know what flaps are, give me one more shot at this. If I miss it, 10 gifted subs. But if I make it, I redeem myself. And we keep going on the challenge.
Hey Doug, flaps are extensions of the wing. Deploying these will make it so that you can fly much slower and descend without pitching.
Little bit more. Little teeny tiny bit more. I know you're stalling, just a bit more. This is the slowest airplane that has ever moved in the history of mankind. No! You're gonna fucking off that? You don't even need that part of the airplane. Can we say, I get to keep going, but 5 gifted subs for every death? I get the feeling this is gonna take a lot. I mean, this is...
This first one with key cards. Which is pretty cool, but... You know, why is there stocks? They're like... one hand they're doing stocks, the other hand they're... Big surgery. So why is there a gun? In the hospital? This chapter's probably one of the hardest. Hardest in book 1, definitely. Here's blue. I think blue goes on the first floor. I know where green goes. Hit Bunny's head. Hammer. There this goes. What are these tubes? This tube doesn't even lead anywhere. Oh yeah, you need to get the... than that, like lunchroom, yeah. I just did a circle for no reason. Need the hammer and the white key. I have the hammer and the white key. I should actually get them there. I could stun him. Might be a little too late for that. It's the first chapter without the wrench. Oh. Jukes, get juked! Get juked! Juke of the century! Oh yeah! Oh yeah. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Out of here. Oh, I've been done most of before. Okay. One last challenge. Inverted camera and Dizzy. Chapter 1. Can I open the green door? I'm only gonna do one attempt of this. I'm very tired. Can I open the green door? I'm turning the volume all the way up. So this isn't gonna end well. Okay. It's like kind of manageable. Oh, here you go. I didn't do the entire video on this. Oh.
There's a rhythm in the markets, in the resonant echoes of the opening bell, in the preludes leading to global elections, in the rising chorus conducted by AI. And if you want to learn to listen about AI, we'll show you how. Learn more at Bloomberg.com.
Oh, he's right there. No.